What's happening, guys? I know you must be wondering, where is this guy? I have been away. Well, my friend's here, so I am traveling. I'm in Atlanta right now. But whatever is happening, I have been keeping track. By the way, how are you guys? So here, man, I'm in Atlanta. Look, I know you might not be interested in where I am. You want to know what's going on, Sheree? Right? We were expecting the crash, right? Once Bitcoin got to 21, but my calculations, I wasn't expecting it to go this low. I was expecting probably it would go somewhere around 18, but we had a long stretch. I think Bitcoin went to 15,500. So from here, where do we go? Well, again, the next couple of days, anything's going to happen, that's going to happen this week, right? So just wait and watch, right? I will keep you posted. I will do a technical analysis today in the evening and post a few videos about different cryptos, because I don't have my setup here ready. So I won't be able to go live, but I will do short videos, like screen record it and do TA in the evening. So, and I'll be doing an interview here in Atlanta later on. I'm here till tomorrow. Then I'm going to Miami. And we'll do street interviews over in Miami. I've done some interviews here in Atlanta, trying to spread crypto awareness, right, among people, and see what the opinion is, right, of regular people. And I myself get the insight of what people think. And I hope you like the content, the interview, which brings in more people as well to the channel and to our crypto. So what else? Man, look at that. Look at the evening. It's so beautiful. I'm not sure if you're able to see this. Look at that. Beautiful evening. Yeah, I don't want to waste too much time, man. I just wanted to let you know that what's going on with the FTX situation. Man, I hope we don't get a domino effect with FTX, because CRO.com, FTX owns about 20% of Solana. So, yeah, it's dangerous situation right now. But I will analyze everything. I think, personally, very close to the bottom. Okay? So, I will be back later in the evening. You'll see a few videos about crypto. All right? Later. Bye.